Welcome to episode 1 of 100 ways to cook potatoes. And first you're going to slice the potatoes into thin slices. After which you're going to put the potato slices in a sufuria like that. Then you're going to pour water to the potato slices. After which you're going to allow the potatoes to boil for about 5 minutes. In the meantime, you're going to crack an egg like that, and in this case you're going to be using 2 eggs. So that is the first. Then you're going to do the same for the second egg. Then you're going to add a pinch of salt, and you're going to beat the eggs like that. Now we have that uniform mixture. In the meantime, we're going to cut the coriander into small pieces. Our coriander is now done. Then we're going to put it into the beaten eggs like that. We sprinkle it like that. Then we mix it together like that. That is the coriander with the beaten eggs. Then next we're going to take a garlic, and you're going to slice it into small pieces. Now you're going to take the garlic and add to the mixture like that. You mix it well. Then next we're going to take a tomato, and you're going to dice it into very, very small pieces. Now we take the diced tomatoes and we add it to the initial mixture. Then we're going to ensure that it is mixed well. So that is a very beautiful mixture. Next you're going to take an onion, and you're going to use half. So you're going to clear the onion, and you're going to slice it. Now we add the onions to the original mixture. Then we stir to ensure that there is uniform mixing. Then we add a pinch of salt as well, and we mix. After which we're going to take a pan and we're going to put an oil. We ensure that it is evenly spread. After which we're going to take the pre-boiled potatoes and we're going to spread them on the pan. We're going to ensure that each side is cooked well, and then at some point it is going to turn the brown color. Then we're going to take the mixture and we're going to pour it on top of the potatoes like that, and we're going to spread it. Then we're going to give it some time. We're going to give it a while for the mixture to cook. That is the turned side. Then we add a pinch of salt on the top, and it is now ready for serving. If you love the potatoes and you would like to see more ways of cooking it, make sure you subscribe and you like the video. You can take it with a drink, for example soda, and you're going to enjoy it to the maximum. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye.